Welcome to day 1 of Crazy Carsmas Season 5, a very historic series across my channel in the past, and I'm going to be posting 12 consecutive videos over 12 days on the lead up to Christmas, which are all going to be in the holiday spirit. And today for day 1, I'm going to show you how you can turn this old, dusty Radiator Springs town into this very festive and very Christmassy town, so let's get started. First, you want to get all of your necessary props to deck out your town. So I am using some Christmas trees, some light posts and other Christmas props, some tape, some very large amount of Christmas lights just so I can wrap it around every building and get it around every town. And of course, how can I forget cotton so you can make the snow around the town. So for the first step here, you are going to need to tape string lights to the top of buildings. You can see I got these from probably Dollarama for a couple bucks. I had them for a couple years now, so I don't know the exact price, but you can see just taping them on the edge of buildings wherever they work for you. That's what I did. You can see here it's going around flows, Ramon, at a very reasonable height so cars don't hit them when driving underneath, but also so it does add some nice festive spirit around the town. You can see there, once it gets to Fillmore's, I wrap it around and then tape it to Mater's sign, and then that's the end of the first string that I use. For the second string lights that I have, I wrap them from one of the cozy cones there, all the way to Lizzie's Curio Shop, across the Leaning Tower of Tires of Luigi's, and then around back to the abandoned buildings. There you can see this is what it looks like with the lights on, and with the lights on, but with the exterior lights off, you can see that's what it looks like in the town. And then for step 2, you want to decorate and place your Christmas trees. So one of the trees that I have decorated here with some Christmas wristbands around the trees to act as ornaments. One of them goes in Mater's junkyard, and the second one goes in front of the courthouse to act as the town's tree. Step 3, you have other festive props to place around the town. So there you can see at Doc's and Sally's, I have some nice Christmas wreath light posts, and then at Lizzie's Curio Shop, I have a nice small Christmas tree. Luigi and Guido set up their own little personal Christmas tree to add some spirit around their town, and also with Fillmore, there you can see right beside his hut. Step 3, you want to place your other festive props around the town. So you can see I have some extra old lights that I just wrapped around some of the cozy cones, and once again around the Leaning Tower of Tires and Ramon's sign. And step 4, it wouldn't be Christmas without the cotton to act as snow. So you're going to place this wherever you seem necessary. I went with quite a lot of snow, I'm going to say. So just so it looks like a lot of snow did hit the town and make it more Christmassy, that's for sure. So just putting it on rooftops and then kind of at the edges of buildings just to make it look like a big snowstorm came and hit the town. So here I'm just going over the town to show you what it looks like with my town. Obviously you don't have to copy this exact setup, but I just put the lights wherever I thought would work, the snow and the other props there as well, just for the background of the videos for the rest of Crazy Carsmas. So yeah, here's what it looks like with the lights off, and I must say it looks so much better and so much festive. It is very nice. I'm very glad that I did it. You could see lights panning all the way from Mater's all the way down to the courthouse. You love to see it, and that will be the background of the rest of the Crazy Carsmas videos. Well, everybody, I do hope you guys all had a fantastic day, and if you weren't, hopefully this video made it a little bit better for you. If you did enjoy this video, please do consider subscribing and leaving a like. That'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at CrazyCarsCanada for leaks to new videos just like this one. And I hope to see you guys all back here tomorrow for the first review on day 2 of Crazy Carsmas. Have a great day, everybody, and peace.